So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the inverse matrix of a 3 by 3 matrix. So the way to find the 3 by 3 is going to be 1 over the determinant multiplied by the adjacent matrix. The best way to show this is through an example. So given the matrix minus 6, minus 8, 8, minus 2, minus 2, 2, 8, 10, and minus 11. So the first step we need to do is to find the determinant. The best way to do this is to write the matrix out again, like this. Writing down the matrix. So now you want to take this number and multiply it as if you were taking out this row and this row. So in this case it will be minus 6. And now you want to find the determinant of minus 2, 2, 10, minus 11. And you keep doing that for the rest of them. Taking out the middle. So it's going to be plus 8, not minus 8, because of this right here. Of the determinant minus 2, 2, 8, minus 11. Plus 8, minus 2, minus 2, 8, 10. So now if we do this, it's going to become dt is equal to minus 6 outside of, so it's going to be this number multiplied by this number minus this number multiplied by this number. It's AD minus BC. So it's going to be minus 2 times minus 11 minus 2 times 10 plus 8 minus 2 times minus 11 minus 2 times 8 plus 8 minus 2 times 10 minus 8 times minus 2. So this is going to give us minus 6 outside of 22 minus 20 plus 8 outside of 22 minus 16 plus 8 outside of minus 20 plus 16, which is going to equal to minus 12 plus 48 minus 32, which is going to equal to 4. So we know our inverse matrix is going to be 1 on 4 of the adjacent matrix. Now in order to find this adjacent matrix, we have to take the rows. We have to first do a similar thing with the determinant. So I'm going to rewrite the original matrix out. So what we have to do is becomes, I'm going to draw a blank matrix here. You have to cancel out this, will give you this number. So, and now we do minus 2 times minus 11 minus 2 times 10. So if you scroll up a little bit, we can see it's going to be 2. So in this spot, we write 2. And then we have to find this one. We cancel this out. And it's going to be minus 2 times minus 11 minus 2 times 8, which is going to give us 6. And then we still keep that. And we do the same thing. Minus 2 times 10 is minus 20. plus 16 because it's going to be minus 20 minus 8 times minus 2, which is going to equal to minus 4. Now, to find this box, we move this line down 1. And then we still go across again. So it's going to be minus 8. Let's get rid of this. Minus 8 times minus 11 minus 80, because 10 times 8. It's just simply going to give us 8. Then we still move this line across. We do minus 6 times minus 11 minus 64, because 8 times 8, which is going to give us 2. Then we move this line over again, and it's going to be 4, because minus 6 times 10 plus 64 is equal to 4. And then we go back to the start. However, this line needs to be moved down 1 more to find this entry. So we go minus, let's get rid of this. Got minus 8 times 2 plus 16, which is going to just simply give us 0. Move. So we can see that this entry will be minus 6 times minus 2 minus 8 times minus 2, which if you work all that out will become 4. And then this last entry, I'm so sorry, that's wrong. This line has to be here for that entry, which is still 4. Then we move it across for the final entry, which will become minus 4, because minus 6 times minus 2 minus 8 times minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So once we have this matrix, we need to apply and switch some of the signs. So we apply this matrix of just positives and negatives. So then the matrix now becomes this number. And we just change the signs according to the matrix. So this was minus 8, the 2 stays the same, minus 4, 0 is always 0, minus 4, minus 4. Now we have to do one last thing, which is transpose the matrix. So in order to do that, all it is switching the rows and columns. Best way I like to think about it is we leave the diagonal, which is 2, 2, minus 4. And then we switch these entries. And so we go minus, not in red, minus 6, minus 8. And we switch these ones, which is going to be the same. Then we switch the corner entries. So it's just all it is you can see that this row here has now become this column. So it's all transposing it's doing. And after that, all you have to do is apply the determinant, which is, so our inverse matrix will be 1 on 4 outside of 2, minus 8, 0, minus 6, 2, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. And you can simplify this a little bit by making it a half outside of 1, minus 4, 0, minus 3, 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. And there you have your inverse matrix for a 3 by 3.